Hello everyone, welcome to my second YouTube video about science. Also my sixth YouTube video for the sixth quarter. So basically how this is gonna work is that I'm gonna blindly read. Basically I have not done any of these activities yet, but I'm gonna blindly read it and try what I learn. So hopefully when I do these paces I'm gonna do it faster. Then I'll level up quicker and no academic probation for me. Europe is the sixth largest continent in land area. Bill Bill continued. It lies west of Asia with no oceans division between the two continents. Europe is bounded on the west by Atlantic Oceans, while the Caspian Sea, the Ural Mountains, and the Ural River forms the eastern boundaries. Eastern boundaries. The Antarctic Ocean forms the northern boundaries, and the Mediterranean Sea, the Black Sea, and the Caucasus. Ah, where is it? Sus. I'm so funny. Mountains form in the southern boundaries. Although Europe occupies only about one-fifth of the Earth's landmass, it is the third largest in population. Positioned southwest of Asia and Europe is Africa, the second largest continent in both land area and population. Over 25% of the continent is desert area, while almost 65% is grassland. The remaining land areas of Africa are tropical rainforests, dry woodlands, and jungles. Most of the Africa's rainforests are located on the Congo River basin and along some coastal areas. The world's largest river, the Nile, is located in the northeastern Africa. Geographically, a high arid plateau covers most of Africa. The major landmass of the Eastern Hemisphere is the Europe-Asia-Africa landmass. In the Western Hemisphere, the major landmass, known as America, comprises North America and South America. The America's landmass, at about 9,500 miles long, is longer from north to south than any other areas in the world. The width of North America at its widest is about 4,600 miles. South America is about 3,100 miles wide. North America is the third largest of the seven continents. It reaches from the frozen Arctic Ocean in the north to the warm tropical regions in the south. North America is bounded on the east by the Atlantic Ocean and on the west by the Pacific Ocean. Canada and the United States cover the northern fourth-fifth of the continent. Mexico and Central America covers the lower fifth. Covers the lower one-fifth. South America, at the fourth largest continent, is smaller than North America in both size and population. Like North America, South America's eastern boundaries is the Atlantic Ocean, and its western boundaries is the Pacific Ocean. More than three-fourths of the South American's land area is located in the tropics. Two of South America's more well-known geographic features are Andes Mountains and the Amazon River, the second largest in the world. I wonder what the first one is. Australia, Earth's smallest continent, is nicknamed Land Down Under because it is located entirely in the southern hemisphere. Australia is sometimes called the island continent because of its small size and the fact that it is completely surrounded by water. Comprising about 5% of the Earth's land area, Australia is mostly low and flat. It is thinly populated with only a few areas along near the eastern coast receiving enough rainfall to support large numbers of people. The name Australia came from the Latin word australis, which means southern. So basically, this part is talking about continents. That North America is bigger than South America, and that Australia is the smallest continent, and it's just entirely located in the southern hemisphere. And yeah, that's all I will be explaining because we're running out of time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.